Welcome back to Ranking Room. Machine learning is the future, but where do you start? Do you need a PhD, a supercomputer, or just a lot of coffee? Well, don't worry. Today, we're diving into 7 beginner-friendly machine learning projects that you can build in 2025. These projects will help you gain real-world experience, build an impressive portfolio, and maybe even land your dream job. These projects are fun, practical, and perfect for building your skills, whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious tech enthusiast. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your machine learning journey. Let's get started. First up, Chatbot Development. Let's build a chatbot. This project involves creating a conversational AI that can answer questions or perform tasks. You'll use NLP techniques and frameworks like TensorFlow or Dialogflow to build your bot. Finally, a friend who's always available to chat, even at 3 a.m. when you're overthinking life. This project is a great way to combine everything you've learned and create something interactive and fun. Handwritten digit recognition. Next, let's talk about handwritten digit recognition. This project involves building a model that can recognize handwritten digits from images. It's a classic beginner project that uses the MNIST dataset and introduces you to neural networks. Remember when your math teacher couldn't read your handwriting? Yeah, this model might struggle too. This project is a great way to understand the basics of deep learning and image processing. Movie recommendation system. Ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what you want to watch? It's all about recommendation systems. In this project, you'll build a model that suggests movies based on user preferences. You can use datasets like MovieLens to get started. Finally, a machine that understands your love for cheesy rom-coms. No judgment here. This project introduces you to collaborative filtering and matrix factorization, key concepts in recommendation systems. Spam email detection. Next up, let's tackle spam email detection. This project involves building a model that can classify emails as spam or not spam. You'll use techniques like tokenization and feature extraction to analyze email content. It's a practical project that's super useful in real life. How many times have you clicked unsubscribe only to get more spam? Yeah, this project is for you. This project is a great way to learn about text pre-processing and classification algorithms like naive Bayes. Image classification. Now, let's dive into image classification. This project involves training a model to recognize and categorize images. For example, you could build a model that distinguishes between cats and dogs, or even more complex tasks like identifying different types of plants. Finally, a machine that can tell the difference between a muffin and a chihuahua. The internet thanks you. This project is a great introduction to convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and computer vision. Plus, it's a lot of fun to see your model in action. Predicting house prices. Next on our list is predicting house prices. This is a classic machine learning project that introduces you to regression models. You'll use datasets like the Boston housing dataset to predict prices based on features like square footage, location, and number of bedrooms. Ever wondered why your dream house costs a fortune? Spoiler, it's not just because of the fancy chandelier. This project is perfect for understanding how machine learning can solve real-world problems. And who knows, you might even impress your real estate agent. Last but not least, sentiment analysis on social media. This project involves analyzing social media posts to determine whether they are positive, negative, or neutral. For example, you could build a model that analyzes tweets about your favorite movie or product. It's a great way to learn about natural language processing, NLP, and text classification. Imagine building a bot that can tell if your ex's tweets are about you. Too soon? Okay, moving on. This project is beginner-friendly and uses libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Plus, it's super relevant in today's data-driven world. And there you have it, the top 7 machine learning projects for beginners in 2025. Whether you're analyzing social media, building a chatbot, or predicting house prices, these projects will help you build a strong foundation in machine learning. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.